everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Tubi account. So let's get started. Open a web browser and type in tubitv.com and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official site. Also make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're logged in, go ahead and mouse over to your name at the top right hand corner and click on Account Settings. Now, this will open up My Accounts tab. Scroll all the way down and look for this Delete Account button. Remember that deleting your account from Tubi will remove your list and history and unlink the devices associated with it. Click the Delete Account button and select one of the regions while you are trying to remove yourself from the service and click on Submit. You can also skip the review page by clicking on Skip. On the next page, you'll need to enter your password for your account. Go ahead and enter your correct password in the text box and click on Delete. So now you have successfully deleted your Tubi account. Pretty simple, isn't it? So that's how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon in the next episode. Goodbye till then.